Hi everyone, and welcome to Fruit and Veggie Fun. We're so glad you're here with us today. I'm so excited to learn all about healthy foods with you today. Fruits and veggies are not only delicious but also super important for our health. We're going to meet some amazing fruit and veggie friends, sing some songs, and play some games. It's going to be a blast and you'll learn so much. Are you ready for a super fun adventure? I know I am. Let's get started and have the best time ever. Get ready to meet Benny the banana, Allie the apple, Carla the carrot, and Tommy the tomato. Each one has a special story to share. They're here to tell us all about how yummy and good for you fruits and veggies are. You'll be amazed at what you learn. Let's give them a big round of applause. They're our special guests today, and they can't wait to meet you. First up, we have Benny the banana. Benny is super silly and loves to make everyone laugh. His jokes are the best, and he always has a funny story to share. He's also a great source of potassium, which makes our muscles strong. Potassium is essential for keeping our hearts healthy and our nerves functioning properly. Benny the banana. Hey everyone! I'm Benny, and I'm here to flex my biceps and make you giggle. Remember, a banana a day keeps the cramps away. Next, say hello to Allie the apple. Allie is sweet and smart. She loves to read and learn new things, always curious about the world around her. She loves to read and learn new things. Whether it's science, history, or a fun story, Allie is always eager to dive into a new book. Apples are full of fiber, which helps our tummies feel good. Fiber is important for digestion and keeps us feeling full and satisfied. Allie the apple. Hi friends, I'm Allie, and I can't wait to share some apple-tastic facts with you. Did you know apples can help keep your teeth clean too? Wave to Carla the carrot. Carla is a super athlete and loves to run and jump. She's always on the go, participating in all kinds of sports and activities. Carrots are amazing for our eyes, helping us see everything bright and clear. They are rich in beta-carotene, which our bodies convert into vitamin A. Carla the carrot. Hey there, I'm Carla and I'm always on the move. Let's keep our eyes sharp together. Remember, eating carrots can help you see in the dark. Last but not least, give a big cheer for Tommy the tomato. Tommy is brave and always up for an adventure. Whether it's exploring new places or trying new things, Tommy is ready for it all. Tomatoes are packed with vitamins that help our bodies stay healthy. They are especially rich in vitamin C, which boosts our immune system. Tommy the tomato. Hello everyone, I'm Tommy and I'm ready for some fun-filled adventures with you all. Let's explore the world and stay healthy together. Did you know that eating lots of fruits and veggies helps you grow big and strong? It's true. Fruits and veggies give us energy to play all day long. They also help us stay healthy, just like our superhero friends Carla and Tommy. Remember to eat your fruits and veggies every day. Can you guess these colorful treats? Get ready for a fun and exciting challenge. Now it's time for a game. Are you excited? I know I am. I'm going to show you pictures of different fruits and veggies. Pay close attention to the details. Can you guess what they are? Yeah. Let's do this. First up, we have something round and red. It looks delicious, doesn't it? It grows on a vine and is super juicy. What is it? Think hard. Kids, off screen. That's right, it's a watermelon. Yay, great job. Next, we have something long and orange. Can you guess what it might be? It grows underground and bunnies love to nibble on it. What is it? I know, you got it. It's a carrot. It's a carrot, just like Carla. Kids, off screen. Woohoo, you all are doing fantastic. Let's play one more round. Are you ready for a tricky one? This one is a little tricky. Pay close attention to the colors and shapes. It's green on the outside and red on the inside with tiny black seeds. Can you guess what it is? It's super sweet and grows on a vine. What could it be? That's right, it's a watermelon. Yay, you did it again. You guys are so good at this. Your guessing skills are amazing. Give yourselves a round of applause. You all deserve it. Great job, everyone. Sing along with us. Now it's time for a song. Can you sing along with me? Yeah, fruits and veggies, they're so bright, full of flavor, what a delight. Red and orange, yellow too, green and purple, just for you. Eat your colors every day, grow big and strong. It's the healthy way. That was awesome. I love singing with you all. Yay. See you soon. Thanks for joining us on Fruit and Veggie Fun today. I had so much fun learning about healthy foods with you. Remember to eat your fruits and veggies every day, just like Carla and Tommy. We'll see you next time for more Fruit and Veggie Fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now. Bye for now. See you later. Remember, caring is sharing. www.big Homeschoolers and BTG Tutoringus are the websites to get additional help with your educational needs.